Okay, to get started in Book Creator, go to app.bookcreator.com. You're going to want to sign in as a teacher. I'm just going to choose right now to sign in with an email. I'm going to use my email, and then when I do that, I've got to fill all this out, put in a password. So now I'm going to next create a library for my class. I'm going to call this Holly Clark's Library. And I don't need to really invite students, but because it's asking me to do this next step, I'm going to invite students and it gives me a code. That's great. I don't really need the code. So now I'm going to start making awesome books. So it's going to take me to my library to do this. So there are no books here yet. So I go to the upper left-hand corner where it says New Book. And when this happens, I can go to either a plain version of the book or this neat little comic book version. But I'm going to choose the plain for right now with a square, and I'm going to show you some of the new updates. If you want to see what to do with this stuff, I have another video that you can go to, but this is about the updates. So I'm going to go to Import. I'm going to go to Embed. It's this new embed right here and these maps that are the new updates. So I'm going to go to Embed. I am going to paste in here something from another site. So to do that, I want to show you. I'm going to go to another tab in my Chrome browser. I'm going to go to YouTube. Let's go grab, I just recently did an EduSlam about grab the share link. And I'm going to go to Embed. And I'm going to grab this embed code right here. I'm going to head back over into Book Creator. I'm going to place it right here. It's going to confirm it, and it's going to add to my book. And there it is. So that is a YouTube video. If I wanted to go to Flipgrid, I would grab another tab. I'm going to go to flipgrid.com. I'm going to need to sign in using my account. And here's where I can grab a grid. So I'm going to go over here to share. I'm just grabbing the entire grid. I'm going to hit embed. It's going to also give me that code. So I'm just going to copy it. I'm going to go back to Book Creator, and I am going to now use that import, go to embed, put this here, and bam, my Flipgrid is going to be there. So now I have this inside of the book. I click it and it opens, and there's my grid inside of my book. Crazy! So that is how it works. You can embed many things as long as it just has the embed code. I can also go into maps. I can grab a map of, I'm going to put in a location that I happen to know about. I'm going to go to Simonstown in Cape Town. I picked this because that's where the penguins live. And so I'm going to go in actually a little closer, and I'm going to now take this, select it, and it's going to place it right inside of my book as well. So now I can, or do, well, that gave me a, now I can put a background. I can draw and say, right here, this is where the penguins live. And when I'm done, I have that on top of it. So amazing stuff happening. I hope you enjoy these updates.